Hey guys, welcome to the first video. And I want to mention on the first video itself, this is going to be setting up your Amazon account. You want to make sure that we set that up correctly. If you guys have a Amazon buyer's account, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom of your buyer's account, okay, where you go and you buy products from Amazon. You're not a seller yet. You're going to basically go down to the very bottom. I'm going to show you in this video how to do that, but make sure that if you want to sell on Amazon, that you set up only one account and one account only. That's it. You do not need 2 or 3 or 4 accounts, because Amazon will shut you down and you will not be able to sell on Amazon. So if you have a buyer's account, just simply go log in to your buyer's account, go directly to the bottom of that buyer's account. It's going to say sell on Amazon. I'm going to show you on this video here. All right, let's go ahead and get started. This video is the first of many videos that I'm going to be shooting here on my YouTube channel. Now, this one right here is going to be how to set up an Amazon account, whether you use an individual account or a professional account. When you sign up for Amazon, there are 2 accounts that you have to sign up for, one or the other. It's either going to be an individual account, which is absolutely free, or there is a professional account, which is going to cost you $39.95 a month to have that account. Now, the benefits of having a professional account is that you are having your product reach out to a lot of the Prime members, and that could benefit you by increasing your sales. Now, if you just want to sell one item here, one item there, then go with an individual account, and that will help you out quite a bit. So let's go through the process step by step on how we go about setting up an account for Amazon. All right, so the easiest way to do this is to scroll all the way down to the bottom here, at the very bottom, and I would take this all the way down. It doesn't matter if you go onto Amazon.com, you don't have to be logged in. You can just basically come right down here, and you are going to see here where it says make money with us, sell on Amazon. You're going to click on sell on Amazon. It is now going to take you to this page right here. Now, it automatically takes you to the professional account, which is right here. Very deceiving, because they want to get your money, right? So what they're going to do is they are going to have you sign up right here. As you can see right on the bottom, it doesn't tell you if it's a professional account or if it's an individual account. This one is a professional account if you sign up with the $39.95 a month. I am going to show you how to get to the free individual account. All you simply have to do is keep scrolling down to the very bottom of this page, and it's right here. Just have a few items to sell. Sign up to become an individual seller. We're going to go ahead and click on this. Okay, now it's going to take you to this point. All you need to do is put in an email address and a password if you have an account already. If you do not have an account, you are going to go right here to create an Amazon account. Click on this. Now you're going to create your name, your email, and put in a password and go to the next process. This is as far as I'm going to go as far as setting up your account here, but I'm going to explain to you how important it is for you to put in certain information. Now, you want to be truthful with Amazon, because Amazon is going to go through a verification process. Make sure you put your real name in there. Make sure you put in your real address, or the address that you are living at. And you want to make sure that everything coincides with a driver's license, maybe your social security card or what have you, because you eventually are going to have to send that in. And here is a big no-no, and this is could get you banned from Amazon if you do this. Do not put in a debit card. They want an actual credit card and on file, especially if you are going through verification process. Make sure you have a credit card. And whatever you do, do not, I repeat, do not use a gift card when setting up an Amazon account. That is a violation of the contract, and you will be banned forever by doing that simple step. Now, make sure, once again, you go ahead and put in all your accurate information, whether it's your phone number, whether it's your address, whether it's your bank account information. Make sure it is accurate and you can verify it, because there is going to be a verification process. Now, if you want to go ahead and get into a professional account, that's very simple. You're just going to go to the top of the page, get into the $39.95 account, and then you're going to have to put in your information there along with a credit card so you can start your Amazon business. All right, guys, this is video 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Put it in the comments. Let me know that you guys learned something from this. We are going to have a lot more videos, step-by-step videos, and now we're just going to go ahead and go on to the next video. All right, guys, have a good one. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell. Let you know when I do come on. All right, we will see you guys on the next video. See ya.